Why does your scanner show the P2610 engine code? What does it mean? P2610 is a diagnostic trouble code for ECM of PCM engine off-timer performance. It means there is a malfunction in the engine control module or powertrain control module regarding an inability to identify the state of an engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these 4 possible faults in your car: battery, engine coolant temperature sensor, PCM, wiring. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This code can appear in various vehicle models across multiple manufacturers, including Ford, Chevy, Mazda, GMC, Subaru, Hyundai, and Lexus. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.